Hey guys, Jeff from the Brantford Realty Group here. Welcome back to another episode of Investing in Brantford. Today I'm here at 40 Niagara Street. It's actually this listing behind me. It is a duplex that is for sale. There is a two-bedroom units, and it is listed for $599,900. So if you want more information, please leave a comment down in the DM below, and I'll be sure to send you the full listing information so you can take a look. I can get you pointed in the right direction. If you do want to get in to see it, I'd be happy to set up a time for us to go see a bunch of the multi-residential properties here in Brantford and show you exactly what this city has to offer when it comes to investing. So guys, let's go take a look at the outside. You want to go see on the inside? Just let me know.